So what's up guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Secret Talks and Return. So today I'm going to be telling you the tip and tricks of iPhone and your iOS devices. You never knew your iPhone could do these things, so watch the video till end. So the first trick is to prevent audio messages from expiring. For whatever reason, audio messages sent through iMessage go away after 2 minutes. Here I will tell you prevent your phone from automatically deleting them. So first go to tab settings, then tap on scroll down and see messages, then scroll down, there will be expire. So tap on this, so then tap on never, so you can be prevent any of your audio messages. So the second trick is more important and related to security of iPhone, means make your iPhone self-destructed. Hiding with your iPhone settings is the option to all erase data on your phone after 10 failed passcode attempts. Although this potential for data loss may sound scary, it's highly unlikely a sufficient other or child would accidentally erase all your data. The reason being because after the 5th failed password attempt, iOS requires a minute timeout before you can try typing a password in again. After the 66th try, you get a 5-minute timeout, after a 7th 15 minutes, and so on and so forth. This means it would take more than 3 hours to enter 10 incorrect passwords. The only person spending that much time probably has bad intention, meaning you will want your personal data to be erased. Here, how to turn the settings on. So first go to settings, then open Face ID and passcode, give your passcode, and then enable erase data. All data on this iPhone will be erased after 10. So that's all. So the third one is increase and decrease volume faster. If you don't want to keep pushing the volume rocker on the right side, on the side of your iPhone, now you can adjust the volume by using the touch screen. So now latest iPhones like iPhone XS, XS Max and above, so you can control it by the touch screen. So first go to push your volume button on the side of your phone like you normally would, then hold it, and you can now, rather than continue to push the physical button, just drag your finger on the volume indicator and your touch screen instead. An amazing tip is about the scroll bar is in iOS 13 within the Safari app now let you scroll faster too. This especially comes in handy when you are sifting through a lengthy PDF document. So scroll on a page on normal wood. First go to your Safari, then longer press the, if you want to, so longer, yeah, so now you can see the faster you drag, the faster page will scroll. If you get trapped in awful all replies or emails threads that's blowing up your phone, don't fret, you can escape it. So here we will go to your Gmail or your email, every app, go to inbox and then go to more, so you can now mute it. So now you can don't be afraid, you can escape from it, and that's the simple solution. If you are tired of opening up the settings app to connect to Wi-Fi hotspot, you should know there is a faster way. So first open the control center by swiping down a diagonal on the top right corner of your iPhone display. Tap on hold middle finger Wi-Fi, then press and hold your finger on Wi-Fi bars icon to see a list of available networks. This trick also works for pairing Bluetooth devices as well. So if you want to silence unknown caller, so there is a trick to do that. So first go to settings, then go to phone, here will be go here, and then go to silence unknown caller. So it will be know that call from unknown will be silenced and to voice message and display of the recent list. Apple has added a new option to this battery health feature called optimized battery changing, which is designed to extend the total battery life of the device running iOS 13. Apple says that the feature slows the rate of the battery aging by reducing the time your iPhone spends for charge. The tool uses machine learning to understand your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use your iPhone or phone that way. If you charge your phone at night, it won't hold 100% for several hours, which degrades your battery. So if you want to do this trick, to first go to settings, scroll down and go to battery, then go to battery life health, then there will be an option of optimized battery changing, so enable it, so you can now reduce battery aging and it will be charged 80%. You need to use it. If you need to do maths on a fly but don't want to open the calculator, if there is a faster way you didn't know about that. So first swipe right over home screen or lock screen, or while you're looking at your notification, then tap on the operation, then tap your numbers you want to calculate. So for example, 11 plus 12. So here is the result of access the calculator faster. So if you want more level better frame photos, so there is a hidden camera level deep in the iPhone settings that will come in handy for when you are taking over headshots of your stuff. To turn the feature on, go first go to settings, then scroll and open a camera, then enable the grid. I have firstly enabled, but you can enable it in your way. So now you can go and you can set the perfect match frame rate, the best rate you can want. If you do rather have a visual call or auditory one, you should know that your iPhone LED light can actually flash anytime you get pinged. Just make sure that you don't have settings on at Twitter. Here, how can you turn the settings off? So I'm personally using this trick from many years ago, from the iPhone 5s I had. So first go to settings, and if you are updated on iOS 13, so accessibility is on front, so go to accessibility, go to enable LED flash. So there will be searching, it's not, yes, there, LED flash for alerts. So if you want to on it, so it flash when you are on silent mode, or if you want to on silent mode, so you can enable it. So that's all for today. So if you like our video, to smash a like button and subscribe our channel to view more updates. Thank you. Till my shadow turns to sun rays.